Jiji. Easy way. Facilement, بسهولة. Talk, read, write in English. Parle, lire et écrire en anglais. تحدث واقرأ واكتب بالإنجليزية. So fast, si rapidement. وبسرعة. Learn with Jiji is the best way to learn. So be with us and subscribe.
A day at the park. Last Sunday, Emma decided to spend her afternoon at the park. The weather was sunny and the sky was clear. She took a book, a bottle of water, and her small picnic blanket. When she arrived, she saw children playing, families having picnics, and people walking their dogs. She found a quiet place under a big tree and sat down. Emma started reading her book while listening to the birds. After 1 hour, she ate a sandwich and drank some water. It felt peaceful. Before going home, Emma walked around the park and took some photos of flowers. She felt happy and relaxed. Now we have translation. I will just let you with translation Arabic and Turkish. Directly we will move to vocabulary and we have the word sunny. güneşli. مشمس. Clear sky, picnic blanket, arrive quiet, under, peaceful, sandwich, walk around and relax. These are the vocabulary for today. And we have some more questions for you. Are you ready? So, first question. Where did Emma go on Sunday? What was the weather like? What things did she take with her? Where did she sit? What did Emma eat? What did she do before going home? How did she feel at the end? Waiting for your answer. And in the end, we will have the answers, of course. Now, I will just let you ask you where do you like to relax? At the park, at home, or somewhere else? Write your answer in English in the comments and I will answer you. See you